you're gonna fill it in all the gaps and the cracks of the nails. So I am going to do some little exam right here. I feel right here is scratchy. So you're gonna fill it in. Each time you feel just a little bit. And I will check pretty much everything with crystal and then just give it like a run through quick on all along with your crystals and your charms. Right here, I'm gonna feel it right here too, like between the crystals, the amber, and on the side. I'm gonna get the brush. You get me the brush?
Brush right here.
I'm gonna run through side for quick and using my twin tip brush on the other end, give it a quick swipe. So then after you cure, it's gonna look really nice and flawless. All right, so cure for 60 seconds on this one. Go on to next one. This is, I feel like this nail is so cool and a lot of going on. I feel it's right here, scratchy right there. I think it's just the end of the bars and the metals like frame. And I'm gonna check between the crystals. Try not to go on the top of crystal. On the frames and charm you can, but on the crystal try to avoiding that. And if you feel really smooth, then that spot don't really necessarily need it. But you feel scratchy, you feel a gap there, you can feel it right here. Then you start squeeze your precision glue. This is will double secure all your crystals, charms, chains, metals, everything, metals, arts for the nails. Keep it stay nice without catching on the client's hair or their clothes. We'll give it a quick swipe. Blend all of that excess glue gel. And now cure for 60 seconds. You wipe this nail off. And this is, I'm gonna do it again. Go all along with the bars and the frame right there. You know what? Okay, so because I was so quiet and then doing my fun part, I have to say today I have really prepared for you, but also there's a lot of things coming like up, and I just go with the flows in some of the cool design that is come out, and I really appreciate, and I have so much fun with, you know, enjoying with you. Even though I don't look at a lot of comments, sometimes I just focus on this, so just don't kill me. Even though you do, I still love you. Because without every single of you, we wouldn't be here. So this is for you. And, all right, I give it a swipe. Okay, cure for 60 seconds. Make sure you, when you get this precision glue and after finish, or after you get it and you get so excited, you just open this and throw it away. Do not throw this away. Please keep it, so then you can keep your needles stay nice and clean. Also keep it prevent from spilling. Also close this, and if you unscrew this parts right there, it will take you right to our precision brush. So for instance, if you forget to get some of the beads and crystal on this spot anywhere on the nail, so then you can easily using your precision brush and add more your glue gels. It's a thinner density, so you can use it for a smaller crystals. But if you need the bigger crystals, and you want to do is condensed glue gel. But this is really quick, like back up for you if you forget, you know, and then when you double secure, you forget one beads or one stones that you really want to fill it in. This will really works amazing. So just for your informations, we just want to go first. Like we did really cool dramatic yesterday. You know, I think when is the last time I think it's all my nails. Can I get all the nails on that station there?
Yeah.
I'm gonna put it for you ladies.